Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Rivian instead of Tesla. So we've been talking about Tesla quite a bit, so now let's talk about Rivian. So recently you guys are aware that Tesla has decreased the price of the Model Y, the rear wheel drive and the long range, about 1,000. And they stated that the price will increase in March or after March. So we don't know if it's true, but it's stated on the website. So it could be not. But now we notice that, the price of EVs are going down, and this is the first time Rivian's actually decided to decrease their price as well too. So it looks like it's a domino effect. In order for you to be in the business, you gotta have customers to buy. Rivian is sort of like a high-end vehicle. Their vehicles are starting always it's close to $100,000. Right, or when you spec'd out, it's gonna be over 100,000. But starting here, according to this articles here, thedrive.com, you notice that they stated that the Rivian with the base model, it used to be 74,000, and now they lowered it to $71,700, and that was a 270 miles range. And then this one, it says here that the Rivian will qualify for the 3750 federal tax credit, and for some reason if you were to lease it, you do get the full credit, which is 7500. So I'm not sure how that works, but hey, it is what it is, right? So Rivian they're known for their adventure, off-roading and all sort of stuff. Before this, they stick to the price. They didn't lower the price, right? So back in the days, you remember Verizon and T-Mobile. T-Mobile was the first one that offered a limited and at a really low price. And Verizon was at that time stating that they're really firm. They're not gonna lower their price. It's all about their reliability, all that stuff. But guess what? If you don't lower the price, you're gonna be out of business. So in the end, they lower the price as well too to be competitive. So if Rivian's doing this, I'm pretty sure more and more EVs companies out there will have to do the same thing. So we do know that in March 7th, Rivian's gonna introduce its smaller version, the R2 of the SUVs. That is more comparable to the Tesla Model Y that we're looking at. So it could be in the range of 45,000 to 55,000. So making it more affordable to everybody. To be honest with you, the R1S looks really nice. And I would like to have one too. But with the price of 100,000, it's just kind of way too steep for me, out of reach. So now we're gonna go to the website of Rivian and we're gonna check it out. So here, if you guys have never seen Rivian's, it looks. First, I thought the headlight was kind of funny, but I guess now the more you look at it, the more I look at it, I'm kind of okay with it. But here, if you start with the R1S, we shop for it. These are all the price, pretty much they're all spec'd out. You're looking at this 94,000, 99,000. So if you add all that's crazy. That's what I'm talking about. These are all, I don't know if they adjusted the price already, or maybe these are all the vehicles that are already on the lot or ready to be, it's already configured pretty much. So the price still hasn't changed yet. So, but if, let's say we start from scratch, I don't know, let's see, we can start this here. RNS here, and we pick the basic one, and we go down the battery standard. This one, it doesn't have it. This one's already have the large and the max already. So that's why we're looking at 70, 95, 99. So, but let's pick one of the spec'd out version. Let's see if they allow me to do the high to low. Okay, let's pick out this one. This one is this one. Try this one. This one. Look at this one. The adventure package starting at 74,900, and you add the quad motor 8,000. You add the large battery pack 9,100. The different color, the glacial white 1,750. 20-inch wheel terrain 3,500. The reinforced underbody shield 2,000. So if you were to buy this one right now, today, it's, let's say we do usually try to loan about $1,600 a month and due today is 1,000, and estimated delivery it's 1 to 6 weeks. I think Rivian been ramping up quite a bit of vehicles, so the wait time will be less. But let's go back to see if we can actually configure the lowest one. Shop 1S. How do we pick the weight here? Configured. All right, so it's starting. Even this one shows that starting 74, not 71, like the article said it. But let's go. We go to that one, and we go down to the drive system. We go to the dual motor, just the basic 0 to 60, 4.5 seconds. So which is about faster than the Model Y. It has 533 horsepower. And if you want to do the performance motor, you get about 3.5 seconds. So that's like almost like, I think Tesla Model Y 3.7. And for additional 5,000. And if you get the quad motors, that's $8,000, and it's 0 to 60 3 seconds. That's crazy fast. But right now we're just gonna do basic of the basic. Okay. So battery, we're gonna go with the standard, which is free, and there's standard plus, which is what, add you like another 440 miles. 45 miles for a 3100, and you want a larger one, 9,000, and you want a max one, 19,000. That's just crazy. And the glacial white, this is included, right? The silver, LA silver is included. The glacial white 1750. So we just keep to the basic all the way down. Interior, everything, next options. And they do have paint protection too. They have like the front end cover, the front end 1800. So 1800, that's not bad, because even the third party shop would charge anywhere from 1500 to 3000. So 1800, not bad. Just like Tesla. Tesla now do offers different kind of wrapped paint protections ranging from 5,000 all the way to 8,000. All right, let's go to the next gear. And this is camping package. We're not gonna do all that stuff. No. Let's see, terrain. No, all of this additional accessories that you want. So if you're, like I said, it's an adventure package. So you want a 3-person tent like this, 3,400. All right, you add all this stuff in together. We're not gonna add that. We're just gonna do the basic of the basic. No floor mat, none of the stuff. And crossbars. Nope. Charging. They charge their wall charger is $750, which is, I think Tesla about 400 something, 450. So we're not gonna get that. Well, we select it, because if you do need it, you don't have one. So this is an overview right here. So adventure package, dual motor, standard, LS silver colors, come out to be $75,650, and with the loan amount will be $1,200. And this one you can get like federal tax credit of $37.50. All right, so you can just click on here and you can reserve. So right now, if you want to test drive a Rivian, I think the nearest one from West Covina is the one in Pasadena, and you just click on the like a demo drive, and I think they give you 30 minutes to test drive. So and then there's a Rivian salespersons would be accompanied with you and for the rides. But yeah, so eventually, all the EV prices will have to go down to make it more affordable and to stay competitive. So I don't know how Lucid and VinFast, if they're going to be able to do that. Because right now, the only companies that are actually making profits out of EVs is just only Tesla. Like even Rivians, they're losing right now. Each vehicle they're losing about $30,000 just to produce it. From maybe a couple of years prior, like $100,000 of each vehicle that they're losing. So, but they're getting better. So hopefully, we'll be seeing more Rivians out there. Like I said, I started to like the Rivian R1S because I think it's more. But if you're looking at this price here, you would ask yourself, like, should you go with the Rivian R1S or you go with the Model X of Tesla? The price range is going to be very in the, very competitive. So it depends. Your taste and your preference. Maybe you're bored of the Tesla and you want to try something new, then you get the Rivian R1S. Or maybe you stick with the Tesla family, you get all Tesla, Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and Model S. Who knows? And the Cybertruck. But yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like the video, feel free to give it a like, because it's free, right? And if you love the channel, just subscribe. Other than that, thank you. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.